I work every day. I'm always tired. I can't sleep. I'm always hungry, but I can't eat anything. Every time I go to the doctor, he's always telling me bad news. I'm always in pain. What am I supposed to do?
Folks, meet the Snappy. Oh, so why not try Snappy 9000? It can solve all of your problems. So let's try it. And now let's whip our pelvic bone. And look at such a tiny device. We just sell it for $9.99 or 9.99 or 9.99. Well, we can say it's just a small, cute, tiny device, but it can actually do a lot of things, and now it's really widely known. We just win a prize. It's called Snappy, 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 and we are the first one. So now we just sell this in a really tiny price. That's called $9.99 or 9.99 or 9.99.
Man, my life sucks. My girlfriend just left me. I have 37 mental illnesses, and my dog just died. If only there was a way for things to get better.
Hey man,
Hey.
try the Snappy 9000. It worked for me. Look at me. I'm better. Want to try?
Sure. Oh, whoa. Oh, wow.
Hey man, I'm Junior Senior Esquire with OpenSignal. You look interesting. What the fuck are you doing?
Curing myself. Haven't you heard of the brand new Snappy 9000? This thing has cured all 37 of my mental illnesses. It's brought my dog back to life, and my wife came back to me.
That's amazing. Would it help with my mixtape?
It depends. Can you rap?
No.
Then use this.
Snappy 9000. My hemorrhoid's been wildin'. Hi, Mom.
Are you surprised by any changes I made? It's just because of this tiny, magical, simple, singular, snappy 9000. And with this, you will have a better time, better life. 开心好生活. Now we're just going to down with a little tiny price that is $9.99 or 9.99 or 9.99. So let's snap!
My dog's back to life.
Yay!
I feel better all over.
Great!
I have diarrhea.
Bosch Snappy 9000 for only $9.99.
只要9.99 or 9.99.